Morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you, open your course book. Open your course book at the page number 32. Open your course book at the page number 32. We are going to learn new lesson. What is the new lesson? The wolf and the smart red hen. What's the lesson? The wolf and the smart red hen. The story is about the wolf and also smart red hen. Okay? Do you know wolf? How it is look like? How it is look like? The wolf look like a dog. Wolf look like a dog. Actually, a wolf is a ancestor. Wolf is the ancestor of a dog family. Wolf is the forefather of dog. The dog is the family of wolf. Here we can say cat is the lion family. Lion is the cat family. We can say no. Lion is considered as cat family. Okay, like that wolf also considered as dog family. Understand? Wolf is considered as dog family because the wolf look like the dogs. Here we can see it is a wolf, but the wolves are too dangerous than the dogs. Wolves are very dangerous than the dogs. Wolves are the great hunters. They have the power of hunting more and more. Understand me? Wolves are having the great hunting power. It can hunt the animals very easily. Okay? Wolf is a wild dog. Wolves are in the forest, no? Okay, wolves are in the forest. They are also called as wild dogs. Wolves are called as wild dogs. Okay? Next, actually, in the olden days, the wolves spread all over the places in the world. Wolves spread most of the places. Once upon a time, wolves lived. Once upon a time, wolves lived all over the world in many places. Okay? How the humans are living in all over the world? We are living all over the world now. How the humans are living all over the world? Like that wolves also lived all over the world. మనమైతే ప్రతి చోట ఎక్కడ ప్రతి చోట మనం ఎలా ఉన్నామో wolves కూడా ఉండేవి. Once upon a time they are like that. Now their strength also exists. అవి కూడా wolf కూడా తగ్గిపోతుంది. But once upon a time a large number of wolves spread all over the world. Okay, the wolves are normal wolf is in nearly 40 kgs. normal wolf weight. Normal wolf weight is 40 kgs. Most wolves weigh about 40 kgs, but the heaviest wolf ever recorded weighted over 80 kgs. Normally, the wolf's weight is nearly 40 kgs. Normally, the wolf's weight is 40 kgs. The heaviest wolf weight is nearly 80 kgs. The wolf's weight are from 40 to 80 kgs. Normal ga wolf ఎంత weight లో ఉంటాయి? From 40 kgs to 80 kgs. The heaviest weight of the wolf is 80 kg. Okay? And here is a story about one of the stories about obese wolf family. Obese means very large, very big. Obese means very big. Now we are going to learn. Now we are going to know the story about the wolf family. Obese wolf family means a big wolf family. Okay? Let us go to the lesson. In a small village lived a red hen. She had little wooden house and a small green garden. She used to work hard in her house and garden every day. Her garden had many different flowering plants. Now we are going to learn about a wolf and also a red hen. Here it is about red hen. A red hen lived in a small village. A red hen is living in a small village. And the red hen has a house. It is made of wood. The red hen is living in a small village. Okay? It built a wooden house. It built a wooden house. Wooden means wood to sticks to. It's a house. Hen's house is made up of wood. Our little red hen has a house which is made of wood. It is having a small house. Our little red hen has a small house which is made of wood. And in front of house, it has a garden also. Understand? She loved gardening. Little red hen loved gardening. She kept a garden also. In her garden, lot of flowers and plants are there. Understand? Different types of flowers, different types of fruits are there in the garden. Okay? Every day she looks about the garden. Okay? The little red hen look about her garden. ఎప్పుడు తన గార్డెన్ నీళ్ళు పట్టడం, ఎక్స్ట్రా పెరిగిన బ్రాంచెస్ ఏమైనా కట్ చేయడం. She take care about her garden. That is her work. The little red hen work is looking care about her garden. Okay? Next what happened you will see. A family of wolves lived in a little away from her home. One day, Mama Wolf said to Papa Wolf, "My children and I are very hungry. We want a fat hen to eat. There was nothing in the pantry for the baby wolves, so Papa Wolf went out to find something for them all." near to the village, near to the little red hen's house. A family of wolves are living. A family of wolves. In a family, who are there? Mama wolf is there, Papa wolf is there, and they have two children. Understand? Near to the red hen's family. Sorry, near to the red hen house. Near to the red hen house, there was a wolf family. Okay, in the wolf family, Papa wolf is there, Mama wolf is there, and they have two children. Okay, one of the day, Mama wolf said to Papa wolf, who are living near to the red hen house? A wolf family. Okay, one of the day, Mama wolf said to Papa wolf, what she said? My dear husband, today my children and I are very hungry. Understand me? One of the day, Mama wolf said to Papa wolf. Mama wolf said to Papa wolf. What she said? My dear husband, today my children and my children and also I are very hungry. My children and also I are very hungry. We want to eat a fat red hen. Today we are very hungry. We are feeling much hungry. That's what you must go out and bring a little red hen. Bring a fat red hen. You must bring a fat hen for us for the meal. Understand? It asked her husband. There was nothing to pantry. And also why she is asking? They were much hungry. Today they were much hungry and also there was nothing in the pantry. Pantry means food store. In the kitchen we will store our food items from. That is food store. Pantry means like kitchen. Pantry means kitchen. In the pantry, nothing is there to eat. Understand? మన ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్ అనేది ఎక్కడ పెట్టుకుంటాం మనం? మన కిచెన్లో పెట్టుకుంటాం కదా? వాళ్ళ కిచెన్లో ఈరోజు ఏం లేవంట. In the pantry, nothing is there to eat. That's what you must go now to bring something for us. What you have to bring? You have to bring a fat hen. Okay? Mama wolf said to Papa wolf. So soon after, Papa wolf is ready to go to hunt. To go for hunting to a fat hen. Understand? Now who is ready? Papa wolf. Papa wolf went out to hunt. To hunt a little or any fat red hen. The old forest knew that the wolf lived and hunted in groups called a pack. A pack can range from 2 wolves to as many as 20 wolves. But surprisingly, Papa wolf had to go alone that day as his family was extremely hungry. He couldn't wait for his pack to join. One more. Wolf pups are born deaf and blind and weigh about 0.5 kgs. It takes about 8 months before they are old enough to actively join in the wolf hunts. Actually, Nana, all the forest knows means what they knows. The wolves hunt the little animals in a group, not alone. Understand me? The wolves may hunt. The wolves may hunt in a groups. The wolf group is called pack. Wolf group. Wolf group is called a pack. This is a collective noun. Pack of wolves means a group of wolves. If the wolf want to hunt the animals means they will go in a group. They won't go alone. Understand me this? The wolves won't go alone to hunt. The wolves don't go alone. Alone ante okkare vellaru. Okka wolf hunt cheyadaniki elladu. They will go in a group. They will go in a group like from 2 to 20. Sometimes 2 wolves will go. Sometimes 3 wolves will go. Sometimes 4 wolves will go. Like that, sometimes 20 wolves they will go together to hunt. Understand me? The wolves won't go alone to hunt. They will go in a pack. Pack means group. ఒక్కరిగా వెళ్ళి ఇప్పుడు హంట్ చేయరు. ఒక్కొక్క wolf వెళ్ళి హంట్ చేసుకోదు. అవి ఏం చేస్తే వాళ్ళ ఫ్రెండ్స్ వచ్చే వరకు వెయిట్ చేసి అన్ని wolves కలిసి ఒకేసారి హంటింగ్కి వెళ్తాయి. అండర్స్టాండ్ అవుతుందా? ఒక్కోసారి 20 wolves కూడా ఒకేసారి హంటింగ్కి వెళ్ళిపోతాయి. ఎందుకు ఎక్కువ మంది వెళ్తారు? ఎక్కువ మంది వెళ్తే ఎక్కువ దొరుకుతుంది ఫుడ్, మళ్ళీ స్ట్రెంత్ ఉంటుంది, వాళ్ళకి బలం ఉంటుంది. వాటికి కూడా ఇంకా పెద్ద పెద్ద లయన్ లాంటి యానిమల్స్ వచ్చాయనుకో, ఈ wolves అన్ని కలిసి ఏం చేస్తారా వాటిని చంపేస్తాయి. అవునా? ఇఫ్ వీఆర్ యునైటెడ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు స్ట్రెంగ్తెన్. యూనిటీ ఈజ్ స్ట్రెంగ్త్. నో, యూనిటీ ఈజ్ స్ట్రెంగ్త్. దట్స్ వాట్ the wolves will go together in a group. Group means the wolf group is called pack. అంటే అందరు గుంపుగా వెళ్తారు. ఎవరు? wolves. But today the wolf has to go alone. Surprisingly, ఈరోజు ఏం సర్ప్రైజ్ అయింది? Actually they will go in groups. The wolves will go in groups to hunt. చిన్న చిన్న యానిమల్స్ హంట్ చేయడానికి ఎప్పుడైనా గ్రూప్లో వెళ్తాయి కదా. బట్ టుడే దిస్ మేల్ wolf, papa wolf, today papa wolf has to go alone. Why it wants to go alone? Alone అంటే ఒక్కడిగా వెళ్ళాలి ఇప్పుడు. Why? Because their family is in hunger. Because his family is in hunger. The wolf family is in hunger. Their children are crying for help, no? Crying for hunger. ఆకలికి ఏడుస్తున్నారు కదా children. That's what the male wolf go alone without waiting for another wolf. Amma, everywhere the male wolves go for hunting. Okay? That's what here the papa wolf went out for hunting alone without having any company, without having any friend. తన ఫ్రెండ్స్ వచ్చి జాయిన్ చేసే వరకు తనతో పాటు వాళ్ళ ఫ్రెండ్స్ జాయిన్ అయినంతసేపు ఆగలేకపోయింది. ఎందుకు? ద ఫ్యామిలీ ఆకలితో ఉంది. దట్స్ వాట్ ద పప్పా wolf went out. And also here Nana, the baby wolves also can't join. because they are very young. When they born, wolves pups are born with blind and deaf. Wolves, wolf pups అంటే దాని పిల్లలు. wolf యొక్క పిల్లలు వాళ్ళు పుట్టినప్పుడు ఎలా ఉంటారా అంటే they can't see, they can't hear anything when they born. When the wolf pups born, they are deaf and blind. When the wolf babies are very small, they can't hear anything, they can't see anything, and also they born only half kg. 0.5 kg means half kg. They are very small, no? That's what they are able to hunt. The babies of wolf are unable to hunt. They are unable to hunt. They will take 8 months, yearly 8 months. The baby wolf will take 8 months to hunt the another animals. Understand me? పుట్టగానే హంట్ చేయవు, మనం కూడా పుట్టగానే నడవం కదా కదా అలాగే బేబీ వుల్ఫ్ కూడా ఎంత టైం తీసుకుంటాయి? దే విల్ టేక్ 8 months. ఆఫ్టర్ 8 months దే విల్ గ్రోన్. 8 months తర్వాత ఏమైతాయి? కొంచెం పెరిగిపోతాయి. బేబీ వుల్ఫ్ ఏమైతే పెరిగిపోతాయి. పెరిగిపోయాక అప్పుడు మెల్లగా చిన్న చిన్న యానిమల్స్ హంట్ చేయడం స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాయి. అండర్స్టాండ్ మీ? పుట్టగానే ఎవరు కూడా నడవలేరు కదరా. మన చిన్నగా ఉన్నప్పుడు కూడా మనం కూడా క్రైడీలో ఉంటాం, అంతేనా? బేబీ వుల్ఫ్ కూడా అంతే. దే వోంట్ హంట్. ఆఫ్టర్ ద 8 months దే స్టార్టెడ్ టు హంట్. ఓకే. He ran down the road until he came to the woods. Surely I will find something here, he said, and started searching. But he did not find anything to eat in the woods. Generally, as a lone wolf, he could only hunt small animals, and to his dismay, he found none that day. Actually, Nana, the Papa Wolf went into the woods. Woods means forest. Woods అంటే వుడ్ ఉంటుంది, చెట్లు బాగుంటాయి. ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయి చెట్లు బాగా? In the forest. Okay. The Papa Wolf went deep into the forest, searched everywhere. He said to himself, I have to find something. Now I have to find something. ఏదో ఖచ్చితంగా నేను దొరికించుకోవాలి. I had to search for something because my children and wife are hungry. That's what I had to search for something. So he searched everywhere. The Papa Wolf searched everywhere but did not find anything. Searching and searching. No, it is not finding anything in the forest. And Nana, whenever the wolves go alone, the wolf go alone ante okkate wolf now it went alone, no? Then it will catch only smaller animals. If the wolves go alone, it will catch only smaller animals. Chinna animals maatrame padtayi because no friend, there is no company. It is only fun. If the wolves are together, united, అన్ని wolves కలిసి వెళ్ళారనుకో, they can catch bigger animals also. Understand me? If the wolf go alone, it will catch smaller animals. It search for only smaller animals. ఒకతే wolf వెళ్ళిందనుకో చిన్న చిన్న యానిమల్స్ని ట్రై చేస్తుంది. అదే దాని ఫ్రెండ్స్తో వెళ్ళిందనుకో, if the wolves go in a group, they will catch the bigger animals also. Okay? That is the capacity of wolf. Next. He was returning home sadly. As he came near the little red green garden, he exclaimed, "Oh, I smell a flesh cake and a hen tool. Sure enough, the hen must be eating her cake." He thought there must be a real fat hen and would make a good meal for the family. Okay, it is coming out. It went to the forest, did not find anything. It did not find anything. Now it is coming back. It is returning. The Papa Wolf is returning sadly to his house. Is coming back. Papa Wolf is coming back to his house. While it is coming back to his house, while it is returning, అంటే తిరిగి వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఫారెస్ట్లో ఏం దొరకలేదు కదా, ఫారెస్ట్లో ఏం దొరకలేదు. పెద్ద యానిమల్స్ పడదామంటే దీనికి తన ఫ్రెండ్స్ లేరు కాబట్టి స్ట్రెంత్ ఉండదు. సో ఏం చేయలేదు కదా, ఏం దొరకలేదని సాడ్గా బ్యాక్ తిరిగి వెళ్తుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ బ్యాక్ టు హిస్ హౌస్. ఇట్ ఈస్ రిటర్నింగ్. At that time, he smelled. Papa Wolf smelled. When it reached to the red hen house, and the way its house is there, no? Villinti daggaraga undi kada valla family. So while it is returning, he smelled the little red hen. I smelled the cake. Cake means it's food. Cake ante cake kaadu akkada. Cake ante evara? Then food. I smelled my cake. That is a hen, fat hen. Oh, I think so. It is there near to the coop. Coop ante hen house. ఇక్కడ ఖచ్చితంగా ఏదో ఉన్నట్టుంది అని చూస్తుంది. ఇట్ సర్చ్డ్ ఇన్ ద గార్డెన్. వెన్ ద పప్పా వుడ్ సర్చ్డ్ ఇన్ ద గార్డెన్, హీ సా ఏ లిటిల్ రెడ్ హెన్. ద పప్పా వుడ్ సా ఏ లిటిల్ రెడ్ హెన్. వావ్, ఇట్స్ గ్రేట్. ఫ్యామిలీ ఆల్సో ఆస్క్డ్ ఫర్ ద హెన్. వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీ దేనికోసం అడిగారా? వాళ్ళ వైఫ్ అడుగుతుంది దేనికోసము, నాకు ఈరోజు హెన్ తినాలంది అంటుంది. అవునా? ఇట్ ఆస్క్డ్ ఫర్ ద హెన్. హియర్ ఆల్సో he saw a hen. So that's what the Papa Wolf was very happy. Oh, there is a hen. It is a delicious food for us, for our family. ఇక్కడ ఏం కనబడుతుంది నాకు? హెన్ కనబడుతుంది కదా, లిటిల్ రెడ్ హెన్. ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ డెలిషియస్. నేను ఇంటికి వెళ్ళి వండుకొని తిన్నామనుకో ఎలా ఉంటుందిరా, చాలా డెలిషియస్గా ఉంటుంది. Papa Wolf thought to itself. Next, what happened? We will see. Papa Wolf saw the little red hen walking in the garden, crept towards the hen and quickly grabbed her. He put her into the bag and tied. Without giving a second thought, he ran quickly down the hill towards his home. The little red hen, not understanding or knowing what had happened to her, got frightened. She could only whisper for help. It was so dark inside that he didn't even know where she was being taken to. Okay, whenever the Papa Wolf saw the little red hen in the garden, he crept in the garden, means he jumped into the garden. The Papa Wolf jumped into the garden and grabbed the little red hen. Grabbed ante లాక్కుంది. ఎవరిని లాగింది? లిటిల్ రెడ్ హెన్. పుల్లడు. గ్రాబ్డ్ మీన్స్ పుల్లడు క్విక్లీ. పుల్లడు క్విక్లీ, తొందరగా లాగేస్తుంది. Whenever the Papa Wolf saw the little red hen in the garden, soon after he crept means jumped into the garden. The wolf fastly jumped into the garden. తొందరగా జంప్ చేసింది గార్డెన్లోకి. జంప్ చేసి ఏం చేసింది? Grabbed the little red hen and pulled the and put the little red hen in the bag. అదొక సంచి తీసుకుని వస్తుంది, బ్యాగ్. ఓకేనా? ఏం చేసింది మంచిగా? తొందరగా దుంకింది ఇందులోకి, గార్డెన్లో దుంకేసి ఒక్క సెకండ్లో దాన్ని క్యాచ్ చేసింది. వితిన్ సెకండ్ ఇట్ క్యాచ్ ద లిటిల్ రెడ్ హెన్ అండ్ పుట్ ద లిటిల్ రెడ్ హెన్ ఇన్ హిస్ బ్యాగ్. బ్యాగ్లో పెట్టేసింది. పెట్టేసుకొని ఏం చేసింది? టైట్లీ టైడ్ ఎ రోప్. టైడ్ ద బ్యాగ్. దాన్ని టైడ్ అంటే కట్టేసింది. ఓకే, టైడ్ ద బ్యాగ్ అండ్ carrying. Now it is carrying towards his house. It is a hilly place. They are living in a hilly place. The wolf family is living in a hilly place. Hill place lo untaru, hills daggara untunaru vallu. Now it is carrying. It is climbing the hills by carrying the hen. By carrying the hen. Okay. But the hen did not understand what was happened to her. Where it was going, didn't understand. The wolf did not give a time to think to the hen. Within seconds it was happened, Anna. That's what it is a good hunter. Wolf నేను ఫస్ట్ ఏమని చెప్పాను? మంచి హంటర్ అని చెప్పానా? ఎలా మంచి అంటారు? దానికి సెకండ్ థాట్ ఇవ్వలేదు. ఎవరికి? లిటిల్ రెడ్ హెన్కి. అది ఏం చెయ్యాలని ఆలోచించుకున్న టైంలోనే దాన్ని లాగింది, బ్యాగ్లో పెట్టేసింది, టైట్ చేసింది అండ్ క్యారీంగ్ నా. అండర్స్టాండ్? సో అండర్స్టాండ్ మీ, ద లిటిల్ రెడ్ హెన్ didn't know what was happened. The little red hen.
అమ్మ కాల్ చేస్తున్నా, నేను ప్రెజెంట్ థర్డ్ క్లాస్ లో ఉన్నా. కాల్ చేస్తున్నా.
The little red hen didn't understand what was happened to her. What was happened to her? She didn't know where it was going. She didn't know where it was going. And she's squeezing. She's crying for help in the bag. But the bag was too dark. Nobody are hearing its voice. Understand? So next we will know about another what happened to the hen in the next class. Okay, bye. Why she came with the noise?